Kind of a messy morning for us. Have things improved at all?
Things have improved, but there are going to be areas where we still have snow-covered streets, especially in rural areas with blowing snow, or also neighborhood streets. They're going to remain icy. Temperatures not getting above freezing as we go through the next 24 hours. This is a view of downtown Indianapolis. I love how the sun's trying to come out. Still a chance of a few flurries as we go into this afternoon. Still being reported at the airport right now as we're at 18 degrees. But the big change for us, much colder air settling in, winds out of the northwest up to about 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 25 miles per hour today, and that's giving us a feels like temperature in terms of the wind chill, more like 4 degrees. Take a look at this temperature change. In the last 24 hours is anywhere from 12 to even 20 degrees colder than where we were at noon yesterday. So we're checking in the teens with 13 in Lafayette, 17 in Marion, 16 in Muncie, 13 in Richmond, warming into the low to mid 20s from Bloomington to Seymour and Columbus. But once you put in that wind chill, feels a lot colder. Along and north of I-70 feels anywhere from 0 to about 10 degrees. Columbus feels like 9, Bloomington 13, and Greensburg feels like 11 degrees. Here's that satellite radar. We had a quick little overnight snow that was just enough for another quick coating. If you went to bed last night and you had already shoveled and you had to do it again this morning, this is why. Now a few flurries are going to be sticking with us as we head through the afternoon, but the clouds are going to start to break. For that Super Bowl Sunday snow, we had Logansport pick up 6 inches of snow, Marion about 5 inches of snow, Purdue 3.2 inches of snow, in Peru 4.6 inches of snow. Fishers in Lebanon about 2 to 3 inches of snow, and officially at the National Weather Service just under 2 inches of snow. So the snowfall departure in terms of what we normally get by this time of year since July 1st, well, we're running about 10 inches below normal. Compare that to this time last year when we were running about 35.7 inches of snow. So keep in mind, yes, last winter was extremely snowy. So far this winter, we're running below normal. Right now, as you take a look at Kokomo, some clouds have moved in, still have that snow on the ground. It's expected to stick around at least for the next couple of days. Compare that to Bloomfield in Greene County. Did have a little bit of snow on the field a little bit earlier today, but that's fading as the sun starts to come out. As we go into the afternoon, temperatures right around the 20-degree mark, wind chill in the single digits, especially north of I-70, with those winds gusting at times up to 25 miles per hour. Future Track 13 shows some lake effect snow tries to develop, so north central Indiana could see a few more flurries. And then as we go into tonight, not ruling out flurries, but we'll start to see clouds continue to break. We'll drop to about 14 degrees with a cold wind chill. As we go into your Tuesday, 14 degrees is where we start. By noon, 28, and by 4 o'clock, 33 degrees. Tomorrow is going to be dry, but I want to fast forward to Wednesday at noon. We have the cloud cover in place, and then as we go to Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night, looks like a quick system's going to move through that could bring us some very light snow accumulations. Still have to look to see where this is going to track, so we'll of course keep you posted on that and on how much snow we can expect as we go into the 7-day forecast. We have much colder air moving in. 21 today, 33 for tomorrow. On Wednesday, we stay at 33 with that chance of snow with falling temperatures into the afternoon. And then frigid air moves in on Thursday, high of 15 degrees. And by Friday, 28 for the weekend, warmer. But we'll be looking at a chance of a winter system as we go into Sunday.